Yes. Now I won't have to deal with the hassle of logging in next time.
And honestly, sometimes that choice makes perfect sense. When it's your laptop in your space, and you know exactly who's using it, it just makes things easier. But convenience always comes with a trade-off. When you tell a site to remember a device, you're also telling it to trust that device later. If the device is shared, left unlocked, or falls into the wrong hands, that Remember Me choice can matter more than you think, especially when accessing things like your bank account or email. You don't have to avoid it completely, just pause and ask yourself, who else might have access to this device and how sensitive is the account? And then make your decision. Moments like these can seem routine, but understanding the risks can help keep you safe. To learn more, visit us at www.securitymoments.com.